Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's my first day at work today and let's unbox my work products together and all my new tools that I've got. So I got some new products. I got the Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I recently started using these, and whenever I use a product and I like how it feels in my hair, I try to get it for my clients. So I'm excited to see what you guys think, but so far I like it and I hope that you guys will like it. I also have got the entire line of products. Yes, so I also got some Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I also got a pack of shower caps. So it's 100. Is it 100 or 300 shower caps? Wow, 150 shower caps. So y'all don't ever have to worry about sanitization because we are very big on sanitization. We ensure that everything is clean and sanitized and no one is using the same products or anything like that. So we have this. I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar Tree and get like a storage a little storage bin for these. So today I have the tea tree flat iron. I also got the blow dryer and the curling iron set. When it comes on to my work and my clients, I want the absolute best of the best. I'm just realizing that I never ever opened it. Never open it, never check it, nothing. I have a bad habit of ordering stuff and not checking them. Let me see what this is. The manual. I thought it was like a product or something. Let me see if they give me any extra gifts in here. No extra gifts. Tea tree. We need extra gifts, okay? Because we're over here promoting y'all. So next time, please make sure that Jordan is getting extra gifts from Tea Tree. Yeah, speaking it into existence. Wink wink. Yeah guys, but yeah, so this is my little unboxing for today. I have a client coming in tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get myself prepared up. You see, one thing with me, none of my clients them can run a nasty joke with me because safety and sanitization comes first over yes, so right? So right here I have all my first aid products which I got from the Dollar Tree. Them cost less than $10. So if your stylist don't have this, them need to lift up. Yeah, I am going to do the most when it comes down to sanitization, and I've had a lot of clients complain like, oh, you not have to do this and you not have to do that. No, like me, I gotta do it not just for your safety but for my safety as well. And at the end of the day, you know, really and truly, a client cannot know if your stuff are really sanitized for real. You understand? But you see me, I'm a God-fearing person and I treat people how I would want to be treated, and my clients don't know if me I do the right thing, you know, but God knows. Ensuring that my workspace and my tools are clean and sanitary, it's not just for my client, it is for me. It is to protect myself as well, health-wise and legally. I would never want to be responsible for putting anyone's health at risk. It is my responsibility to protect myself and my clients. This is such a blessing for me as a business owner to be able to provide the best quality products for my clients. I'm super excited and I absolutely love Fenty products, as y'all know. Like, that is my favorite makeup line. Yes, so let me show y'all what I received in my package. So yes, so this is a glass balm oil. This was a free gift. And I also got the Fenty Skin. Oh, this is also a lip oil. So I got this as a gift.
What's the gift?
So that is a lip oil. I also received the Dew and Pump Hydrating Glow Serum, a sample. These stickers that I'm going to give to my daughters. And this is a lip gloss holder. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. I wish I got 2 of these, so that way I could just give one to Gabriella and one to Gavi. So cute. But yeah, so it's really cute. I love it. Then I got this cute bag. I got this cute makeup bag. Let's see. I feel like I might give this to somebody. Yeah, so this is one of the gifts that I got. Yes, so this is the line of products, and we're about to unbox all of them. Thankfully, I have 3 little employees who I usually let unbox stuff for me, and then I give them a little treat afterwards. So I'm gonna have my assistants, Gaviana and Gabriella. Now come here. Come, little assistants. Come, my little assistants.